काफी टाइम बाद एक व्लॉग बनेगा क्योंकि आज एक स्पेशल डेट पे निकले हैं। सो मेरी डेट है तमन्ना। सो ये काफी महीनों बाद आफ्टर मैनी मंथ्स वी विल कम आउट विद दिस व्लॉग कि आज हम लोग क्या क्या करने वाले हैं और आज हम कहाँ कहाँ घूमने वाले हैं। तो दिस इज अ स्पेशल डेट क्योंकि यूजुअली मुझे सिर्फ मॉल जाने को मिलता है, बस कोई पार्टनर नहीं मिलता मुझे दिल्ली घूमने के लिए। सो आज तमू इज देयर, सो शी इज द वन हु इज गोइंग टू मेक द प्लान्स वेयर वी ऑल आर गोइंग एंड व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू।
Excellent.
So we'll keep you updated. So the vlog will be soon out.
Watch out.
Watch out! एक बार खोलना अपना।
ओ अच्छा, मुखमंडल।
हाँ
हम लोग DND पे हैं।
हाँ मुखमंडल DND पे है और बस हम लोग जा रहे हैं। आपको हम बताएंगे अगले सेक्शन में कि हम कहाँ पहुँचे। Okay? So this is where Tamanna is getting me to raw mango at Jorbagh, or should I say Lodi Colony?
Jorbagh Lodi Colony, yeah.
Jorbagh Lodi Colony. So this is, I've been in Delhi for 47 years but I've never come here. So it's time that I come here and see this place. So here we go. The entrance is so beautiful, huh?
So pretty.
And such a silent, there's such a old tree over there. We see this पीपल का पेड़, I think. हाँ पीपल का ही पेड़ है, बहुत ही पुराना है।
तो ये शॉप खुल गया ना?
And the shop is open.
Waiting area. They must be doing some shoots here. They have all this art, and people just hang out here या wait here if someone else's appointment is going on inside या fittings are going on inside.
Oh wow, this is amazing.
अब ये देखो, इस पेड़ के around they must have designed this whole courtyard.
Yeah, and they didn't cut it, and you know, keeping the so amazing. Look at this. Show it one more time. Yeah, look so nicely. And we are in Delhi, and I have lived here for 47 years. That's my age that you come to know. And look at these pomegranates, anar ka ped. And the beautiful flower, Anarka. So we are here at Payal Pratap, Tabu and me. It's a lovely store, and I bought something. Can you give me that thing? So we found something. It's from designer Payal Pratap, and this is what I found.
Lovely statement
Lovely,
piece.
huh? Lovely statement piece. It's beautiful. So buying that. So again, check you in the next section. We are traveling through the Lodi Colony. I hope we have not, because we are really liking the artwork that we have seen. That there's one over that side. So look, it's amazing the way the houses have been painted. I think this is done by the College of Art students. Yeah, they've taken this place as a canvas and they have done a lot of paintings all around, and that this has, you know, upscale the whole area.
Very true.
It's upscale the whole area. Yes, there's some, these are done by the government, because this is a lot of these paintings, also wall paintings, have been done by the children of the schools. So even in Noida, all the schools had to paint like this. India Habitat Center. So all the school students had to paint one wall each at the Noida Stadium. So look at the greenery at this place, and now we'll catch you again in the next section. So is that कि हम लोग को हम खान market, we are going to have lunch over there? No.
No, let's get drinks at Khan Market.
हाँ,
and then we'll pick up some booze there for life.
Yeah, we'll pick up some booze, and then we want to have food at Bengali Market.
Do you want to go to Humayun's Tomb?
Yeah, let's go there.
Should we do Khan Market, Humayun's Tomb, Bengali Market home,
Humayun's Tomb will be closer from Khan
Yes.
Market, so let's do Humayun's Tomb and then let's go for this. ठीक है? So plan set हो गया है, so that's how we are doing it and follow us. A lot of places like very nice places, but we don't know where to sit down. No, so we are here at Khan Market. ये रही तम्मू. तो हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं कि क्या करेंगे. So before we buy the booth.
Have you
But-
been to Mama Goto?
No, I haven't been to Mama
I think it's
Goto.
a casual spot इस direction में. But if we are just doing drinks, we can also go to one of the cafes.
Yeah, let's not eat anything because that will kill our,
Appetite.
yeah.
ठीक है.
Because हम लोग को आज बंगाली मार्केट करना है, मतलब लोकल बाजी करना है. हमको हाई स्टैंडर्ड का कुछ नहीं करना है, एकदम लोकल की तरह जाना, लोकल की तरह आना
Actually
है.
हम full spectrum
या
कर चुके हैं आज.
या
हर जगह जाएंगे.
हर जगह जाएंगे.
एक्सपीरियंस करना है.
या वी आर डूइंग अ दिल्ली एक्सपीरियंस.
मुगल दिल्ली भी, लग्जरियस दिल्ली
दिल्ली
भी,
भी.
लोकल दिल्ली
यस,
गली भी.
गली भी. अभी हम खान मार्केट की गलियों में घूम रहे हैं. Found a wine and a coffee bar, so we are moving to that. It's called the Porch, so we are moving for a glass of wine, not coffee. So we are in at Porch and at Khan Market, and Tamanna is checking out some wine, good wine.
Do you want to just get a sangria?
Yeah, sangria is good.
Good summer drink.
Yeah,
ठीक है, let's just get 2 sangrias.
that is 2 sangrias that we have, and that is the menu card. Do they have a picture? Just see.
नहीं.
Picture they don't have.
Oh, picture.
Yeah.
अच्छा है.
Not a picture, a picture.
सही समझ गई. Cocktail.
Check on. Yeah.
हाँ, yes.
Yeah, so why don't we get that? That would be better. Look, so I got so edgy. Now I can be visible.
हाँ दीदी.
Till now I wasn't visible. So a picture. That is PITCHER. My spellings are good.
Yes.
So
Mine are horrible.
No, mine are fairly good. Otherwise, you have the Google to go back and check on the spelling.
Autocorrect saves my ass.
No, autocorrect doesn't save my ass. I always fix it. Only that I always take the help of this thing. Although I'm on a high scene, which I really don't like. There's a scene which is just got free on that corner. See that?
Ooh, do you want to grab it? Okay.
Can we grab that space?
We'll grab that space. We'll just let these
I'm
guys.
enjoying right now. Although I don't enjoy this.
Give it a moment.
Yeah, let's give it a moment. So.
Let's wait for 1 glass of sangria.
And let's feel, if we feel a little tipsy, we'll go and sit there. But I don't think we feel tipsy on a wine. We don't feel tipsy on a wine. And the wine that you got that day, for me.
So good.
Oh.
I slept really well.
I slept well and I've kept that bottle. I haven't, given it away to any. वो क्या कूड़ेदान वाला. It's still with me. The bottle is
ताकि
there.
नाम
with me.
पता रहे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
That was a Roscato. It was also a good summer wine because it was a sparkling red wine. It's
Yeah.
good for the summer if you have it cool.
It was good, and I can see some good-looking men around. It's good. But sorry, I can't turn the camera towards that to catch him. So you can turn the camera towards me and catch it.
The spot looks really nice
It's a nice place.
with nice eye candy.
So that's good. So let's order.
हाँ.
Excuse me. These are pastas. So we at last planned that because we are having some good wine out here, so we thought we'd just catch up the lunch also.
Hey, these are amazing lunch specials. They
है ना?
Yeah. Very good. We should
I
eat
just
here.
thought so that
Let's eat here. We can still go to Bengali market for a snack.
snack, yeah.
This is a great meal.
Yeah. So pick up something.
For you also.
Yeah.
ठीक है. I'll have.
I like the grilled chicken and the kimchi. Although we
Let's
can
go for
always
that.
share. We can take 2 of the things, and we can also share up. And what would you like to go for? मतलब और भी कुछ देख लो. Something else is there.
अच्छा, I'll get their pasta.
Pasta. Okay. So I'll get me the grilled chicken and the kimchi, and we can just share. अगर कुछ और चाहिए होगा तो we'll order another
Order
thing.
लेंगे.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
There's no
Nice.
stopping to ordering.
नहीं. Very good.
है ना?
कहाँ है आपका grilled cheese और grilled chicken?
Yeah, देखा मैंने. Ham and
the
cheese is
sandwich.
also there. Yeah.
Oh, it's a sandwich.
It's
grilled
a sandwich.
cheese. Oh, that will be very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, so at last we ordered something to eat, and my mouth is watching. So we got the sangria, and Tamanna is already onto it. So that's here, and that's cheers.
Cheers, salud.
And in Polish they say Nazdrovia.
Nazdovia.
Nazdrovia.
Nazdovia.
So it's very much Russian because they were also captured. Yeah, because they were in the same kind of a situation like we were under the Britishers. So they were under Russian. So Nazdrovia comes from the Russian side of the thing. So
Yummy.
good.
अच्छा.
Not as good as what we got last time.
No.
Yeah. Nice wine and a nice place. Nice place at Car Market. Porch.
Can I ask you something, Perch?
Yeah.
A subculture I just don't understand is people working at cafes or bars. People will bring their laptops and diligently sit with their notebooks and they'll be working. I just don't get it. How do they focus with so much noise and
Maybe they have a noisier home, or they don't have a place where they can sit down and work. So when you have a noisier home, then you would like to come and have a time, put on your headphones. You can't even listen to anything. Have your coffee or something that you order and you can work. Or you do not have enough space. You know?
you don't want to pay rent for a space.
Yeah,
or an
yeah.
office.
When you come here, you eat and
वो कितनी शिद्दत से तब से काम कर रहे हैं. They're properly working on their laptops with their notebooks, working so hard. I just don't understand how they can focus. But you're right, they must have
circumstances that do not allow them, or they have to come out and find that space. Everybody is not so lucky to find space at home. We are blessed that we find space at home.
Very true.
So that's how, and it's also that they get company and they get to see people, especially after the COVID when it has been so lonely. So coming out and sitting like this.
I think especially for freelancers also.
Yeah.
Freelancing may be help करती है.
Yeah.
You don't need one specific place.
Yeah.
You're on a new project every week or something.
And nowadays I feel freelancing has become more in fashion because everybody wants their own time and their own kind of money.
Yeah.
People are not running after money, they are running after what they're passionate about.
Yeah.
So I think that's why freelancing is really good.
Yeah.
So we are going to have a lunch. So welcome to the next section.
Ciao.
Ciao. So here we go with our lunch, and the pronunciation is very. So why don't you say what are you having?
Oh, I'm having a pesto pasta. The sauce
Okay.
is a creamy pesto, but the shape of the pasta is called tagliatelle.
Okay.
But that's just the way they cut. Apparently, Inca pasta is homemade. So the way they shape it, it's not a fusilli, it's not a spaghetti, it's a tagliatelle.
I was just coming to that. It's not a fusilli or a spaghetti, so it's something again new. But mine one is easy. It's a grilled chicken sandwich with kimchi. So we are dining on this today, and
You have made no progress on your drink.
I have. Look, we are at the same level.
नहीं चलेगा.
Check out.
नहीं चलेगा.
Check out.
Bottoms up.
Sure. So I have to make some progress on the drink. So let me start. You think you'll take a bite, you can't stop at a bite. Yeah, try this.
I'm sure. पहले अभी on camera.
ये करना, ये कर,
ये वाला.
Because I'm sure that you can't stop on a bite. Hannah? I told you. This is yummy grilled chicken sandwich. This is too good. You have to try the pesto. So you have to move this. So now
Really creamy pesto pasta.
yeah, I'm just properly trying to take it.
खूब ही decadent है. It's divine.
बहुत अच्छा है यार.
So you know it's called pesto because it's a paste of इसका base is basil. It has a basil paste, basil, olive oil, and some pine nuts usually.
Should anybody who wants to come your porch at Khan Market, we should try this pesto pasta. Amazing.
खूब ভালো লাগছে.
This wine is really good.
Are you catching up? Is the wine catching up with you?
Yeah, it is, and as you can see, the raisins. It's fallen up now.
The sangria came with some raisins at the bottom of the glass.
And now I can really feel them. I'm talking about wine. What are you thinking? Naughty wine?
We've had a lovely date.
It's still going on.
It's still going on.
Yeah, it's still going on. It's not the end. We just started. We just maybe made a way.
Yeah, there's big room for dessert still left.
And we've already ordered that. And
No, we haven't ordered. We need to get his attention.
no, we have ordered.
नहीं.
Tamu, where are you?
हम सबसे चिली कर रहे हैं.
We just ordered the dessert. No, we did not.
No, we didn't. We asked for the dessert menu.
Okay.
Ma'am, we might be a little tipsy.
Yeah, I thought we already ordered the dessert. Actually, we were also so much into gossiping that while we have relationships and how relationship works. So she was asking me whether women or I get insecure with a man's growth. But I think in India we are somewhere brought up in that way, or our society makes us that way. There's some word I was trying to use, but I'm not getting it right now. It's in my mind, but not on my tongue. That the woman is got to be the second fiddle, or be proud of our man's achievement. But men are not taught to be proud of the woman's achievement. Whether you're proud or not, or you have to be second fiddle, you have to be very proud of your woman's achievement. But unfortunately, India doesn't train you that way. Our culture doesn't train you that way. So I think 95% of the women, they don't mind playing the second fiddle, and they're very proud of the man's achievement. It is actually about man and woman. I think it should not be a man and woman. It's about being human. Why get gender biased? Why talk about just gender biased? I mean, just be human and be happy about each other's success.
I also feel like the more kids of your kids' generation see their moms, be in position of power, be in positions of empowerment, they'll get more used to seeing women in these roles that men of an older generation just weren't. They just weren't used to seeing.
What I feel, in the earlier generation, although they've empowered the woman and they have yet compromised on their positions or on the struggles in the family or in the society. But our generation is now breaking that norm also. We are empowered, we are educated, and we will not tolerate. So that is the thing. Adam and Eve is equal. It's never that.
They both bit the apple.
they both break the apple. So, so today's generation, I think my generation is ready to break it. And I think your generation is much more liberated, smarter. And I think our generation has given the power. Like when I see your mom, she's given the power to
You have
liberate.
empowered us.
Yes. So I think it's generation to generation that we are breaking up, but it is now our responsibility to bring up our sons properly. I still see that that is seeded in them that आदमी तो कर सकता है. जब मेरे घर में इतने अलग है, but still I can feel that little texture of my mother in my son. But I'm sure with the times it's going to change. There's a lot of change. 90% is a change, but that 10% should also go. It should be a house of equals or a relationship of equals, not a man or a woman, but just a house of humans.
House of Humans.
So that is what it is.
That's a great name for a brand also.
Yeah,
House of Humans or House of Equals.
House of equals. Yeah, we will start something. You never know.
Watch out.
Every wine gives you an idea.
ओके, इस ज्ञान के बाद हम फिर मिलेंगे.
फिर मिलेंगे. इसको बोलते हैं मुंह मीठा करना. और फिर से मैं इसको प्रोनाउंस नहीं करूँगी. Some dark chocolate with coconut and dates. Yes, so I can pronounce this. Dark chocolate with coconuts and dates. वो आप dates देख रहे हो and dark chocolate देख रहे हो and coconut भी है ऊपर and some sprinkled sugar. So मुंह मीठा किया जाए. So जी तमन्ना. Toodles. So here we go. Let's meet in the next section. हाँ जी, समझ पड़ गया है. अब इसको हम स्लाइस करेंगे. Dino Moria is playing the ruthless emperor and but what work usually मुझे Dino Moria बहुत ऐसा कोई खास पसंद है ना. Eye candy, that's all.
He was really cute though, always.
Also, more of Bipasha's boyfriend. But in this one, Shabani is his character and a ruthless king. Babar, how Babar's sister helps him to build up the empire. You should watch it. You should. Amazing. We will send him that guy. We will pay for send him.
Coffee beans, look.
So nice, na? I like the way they do all these special things.
Very cute.
Yeah.
And in a wine glass. I love. मुझे दिल्ली बहुत सुंदर लगती है. I really miss it. There's a charm.
I love Bombay. I love Bombay, but somehow Delhi is Delhi. Yeah, actually, I want to see your face. Oh no! Hides everybody. You have seen our face, so please take off your mask for a second.
Are you able to take your mask off?
Is it?
नहीं, allowed नहीं.
COVID में ये बड़ा पंगा है. You can't. Yeah, COVID has this so this man has served us very. What's your name?
Avinesh.
Avinesh. So he served us really well. So if you come here, definitely you should call on for Avinesh. And I hope I see you without COVID someday, where I can see your face like you can see ours. So nice. Thank you so much, Avinesh. This is something we didn't know, that there's some very lovely lamp stores out here which we have cracked, and अभी हम उसी तरफ जा रहे हैं. अगर आप देखेंगे इतने सुंदर हैं कि आप पागल हो जाओगे. Look at this. This is so nice. If you see. So let me, I don't know if I can turn the camera or not. So as I wanted to show you the lamps out here, which is, I didn't know this place even existed. ये कितने का है? ये पूछना. ये वाला भाई साहब, ये वाला, हाँ that is good.
ये 1200
वो 1200 का है. आई डिडंट नो, मुझे पता ही नहीं था ऐसी कोई जगह दिल्ली में है, वो भी खान मार्केट के पास. अरे भैया इस 47 में पता चला ऐसी भी जगह है. चलो पता तो चल गया. I'll come and take. This is much more better. है ना? There's amazing lights out here and this is crazy. So this is what I'm buying. This and this as a set. And Tamanna is shocked with me because she can't think that somebody can shop like this. We should ask Nandini how I shop. This is crazy. Pack these two please. Card ले लेते हैं. Card लेते हैं. कितना? How much would that be? 180. 11,800. Okay, yeah. But please do something. I'm taking both. We are at our last destination, hopefully, at the DLF Mall, and we are here for a specific reason. And so when I turn around the camera, you'll come to know what's a so specific reason this haul. So here goes the camera. So this is all for the wine lover that we both are. So we are here for
We have gone from bread butter jam to liquor shopping.
liquor shopping, yeah. So we are here to shop for wine because we didn't find wine at the Khan market where we went and we found lights. So we are here at DLF to get some wine and educate people about wine. Someone else do that already.
Okay, I think you should get इसको हम बोलते हैं a cab sauv, Cabernet Sauvignon. I will get this for myself also and let's get one for you.
Yeah.
You like this.
And you know my choice of wine that I love.
Huh.
Let's try one rose wine also.
No,
Rose wine is also good. It's not. So here we go wine shopping. So let's meet at the next section. So we want to dedicate ourselves with wine. So that's to winding up our date with Tamu. And the last bit is at the Costa Coffee and a brownie, warm brownie. So I'm on a hot cappuccino and she's on a classic cold coffee. And we have done our shopping for our Daru shopping also. We are very proud about it. And thank you. I hope you enjoy this vlog and it has been great. And enjoy life because every moment is important. Don't waste it.
No moment comes back.
And no moment comes back. So as I say, freeze the moment, freeze the moment, freeze the moment always. So life will happen to you beautifully. So make life beautiful and happy. Toodles! There you are.
Bye.
What did you say?
Toodles.
Toodles! Bye-bye till the next vlog. Please like and subscribe the channel. Alaknanda Katha.